Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about a very important object-oriented concept, which is a concept of inheritance. Inheritance allows you to borrow the code and actually saves the time in re-implementation of the same objects. So here we have two classes, class 1 which is shape, and we have another class, rectangle. Now, using this concept of inheritance, we can simply access the properties and members of the class from which we are deriving a new class. To get it very clear, let's have this example. We're defining one class, shape, which is referring to any shape. Here, public states that all the methods or these members are public so that any other class can use it. And this protected is saying that these properties are protected for the shape class itself. Now, that is not our concern right now. We have two members, void set width, which is setting this width is equal to the given parameter, which is int w. If you don't know how this function works, you can always go ahead and refer our C programming language tutorial on functions so that you'll get the idea of what is going on here. And this set height is setting this height for the object. And this is the simple shape class. Now we are coming to this class which is derived from the shape class, and how it is done is here. And this is the example of inheritance. Class rectangle and then this colon, then public shape. That means we are inheriting from shape. So our rectangle class is derived from shape. So all the methods and properties of shape can be accessed by this rectangle, because rectangle is also a shape. We have one method which is getArea, which returns the multiplication of width and height, as we all know in basic geometry, and this is it. So now we're defining one object of this rectangle class, which is R, and here how we do it. Rectangle R, so it's the object of this rectangle class. R dot set width 10. That means now R dot set width. Now this rectangle class don't have any set width method, but the shape class is having one method which is this set width, and which is actually setting the width as the given parameter. So basically we are referring to shape class using this rectangle, and this is the power of inheritance. So all the inherited classes from the shape may have the access to all its method, just we have used here. The second line, set height, is the same. We are using the method of our parent class shape, which is this set height, and then we are printing the area. See this r dot get area, so this get area method is here. So that means we can also refer to the native methods and to the parent methods. So the class from which we are inheriting is called the parent class, and the class which we are making by inheriting is called the inherited or derived class. So in this case, rectangle is our derived class and shape is the parent class. And we are printing this out. The area is equal to r.getArea. So now let's go ahead and run it. And as we can see, the area is 200 because it is returning width into height. Our width is 10 and height is 20. So 10 into 20 is 200 and the area is 200. So this is how we can use this interesting concept of inheritance and save our time. Thank you.